Hello, Brent Zimmerman here with Midlands Home Inspections, performing an inspection out here in Omaha. Nice 80-year-old house. They did take out part of the back wall here for the garage to add a little more room and storage area in here. They've added a proper heading above the garage opening there, so that all looks good. The only issue we have here is back here. This here is part of the old house stairwell coming down right through here. They did not add any insulation or drywall for firewall protection in this area, so even up above. So if a fire would happen to start here in the garage, easy access for it to spread into the home fairly quick without that firewall protection on that there wall. So definitely will be recommended contractor to come in, get that corrected for the buyers. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections. Have a great day.